Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my new wash day routine using the ConAir Hydro Detangler and Showerhead. Let's get right into it. What's in the box? So first of all, we have to open the box to see what's in it. But once we get it open and pull everything out, you will see that there is the shower attachment piece where the water is going to split between the shower head and the shower brush. And then these little white pieces, they're like stuffed Teflon pieces that you wrap around to securely get the shower head on, and you get 2 of those. Then let's see, what else do we have? We have the actual hose that's gonna connect the brush to the shower head, water, whatever it's called. Then after that, we have the actual shower head and the brush. And as you can see, here's the shower head brush. It actually has pretty flexible bristles, so it shouldn't rip your hair or anything like that. And then the installation instructions. Alright y'all, so first things first, for installation we have to remove that old shower head. Just go ahead and take it off. Once you have the old shower head off, you can take a washcloth just like I did, or whatever you like, and wipe off the gunk, the old Teflon that was on there. Get as much of it off as you possibly can. Once it's wiped off good enough, then you'll go ahead, as you can see I'm still wiping, now that it's wiped off good enough, you'll go ahead and take one of your Teflon pieces and you will wrap that around the opening so that you can put the new shower head on top of it. So once you have the Teflon wrapped all the way around, you're gonna take the, I call it the shower head splitter. It's what's gonna split the water between the shower head and the brush, and you'll go ahead and securely twist that on. Alright, and so once you have that securely on, you're going to take the shower head and you're going to attach that to the splitter.
That's good.
Once you have that tightly on, you're going to go ahead and take the hose and attach that to the shower splitter. And actually here it's called a bracket. I'm going to keep calling it a splitter though. But just go ahead and twist that onto there. And as you can see right here, don't be like me. Don't forget to take this plastic piece off, you guys, because that's why I was struggling. Right about here. Yep. And now that our hose is securely attached, we're just going to take the other end and securely attach it to the detangling brush. So now that our shower head is completely installed, we're just gonna go ahead and put the brush in the little slot that it has for it, and I just adjusted mine to my liking. And now I'm gonna show you guys how to change it from the brush to the shower head. It's actually really simple, so all you have to do is reach up. There's a little twisty knob right here. You twist it backwards to make it come out the shower, and you twist it forward to make it come out the brush. That we've got the installation out the way, we can go ahead and get into the wash day process. So as you can see, I have my hair split into 4 sections, ready to get this show on the road. All right, so here we go, you guys. So I had my hair split in 4 sections, but I decided that I was going to split that back section just a little bit smaller, just to see what the brush could do at first. And as naturals, I know we are taught to go from ends to roots, but this brush works best in my experience going from root to end. It literally just glided through my hair. This is old hair, no product in it, no shampoo, no conditioner, no pre-poo. I was very, very impressed with this brush, okay? So at this point, I have half of my head done, and I'm still very impressed with this brush. As you guys will see when I split this section in half and get to going, even after I've worked in that section, I can still take the brush and brush it through my hair because it's already detangled from the first go around. Like, this is amazing, you guys. Alright, so after my hair was nice and saturated with water, I just went ahead and put it back in my 4 sections. And then I went ahead and started twisting my sections up so that I would be able to easily apply my products. Alright, so first up for my shampoo today, we're going to be using Palmer's Coconut Oil Formula Conditioning Shampoo. This was actually my first time using this product, and I was actually very impressed. It made my hair feel really clean, but it didn't make my hair feel stripped, and it also had a really nice lather to it. And after shampooing my hair, I just went ahead and took the detangling brush and rinsed the product out, and it literally took me no time to rinse out the product. It got my scalp, it got all of my hair, it just glided through my hair and completely got all the product out. My hair was squeaky clean after this.
That's good.
Now on to conditioning. We're using the Palmer's Coconut Oil Repairing Conditioner. First time using this as well. It actually was a really thick product, which I love. It went on my hair nice and smooth, and really just glided through my hair and just, you know, kept up the whole nice detangling that I already had going for it. So after letting the conditioner sit for about 5 minutes, I went ahead and took the detangling brush and rinsed it out. Literally, this brush has not disappointed me this whole wash day. Like, I'm only going to be washing my hair with this brush from now on. Literally, it was amazing. My hair stayed detangled my whole wash day process without any issues. And as you guys can see, just as I said earlier, when I start rinsing my hair with the brush on top of the hair that's already rinsed, it still just glides through my hair. Like, this is amazing, you guys. Game changer. Well, that's it for my wash day process and my review of my new shower head, you guys. My hair is completely detangled, it's soft, it's moisturized, it's clean. Everything was just amazing. So with that being said, I definitely recommend that you guys get this shower head, try it out. Of course, this is not a sponsored video. I actually got this as a Christmas gift, and I am so glad that I got it. So glad. But this is the end of my video, you guys. So please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, tell a friend, all that good stuff. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.